that on Shopkins? I mean on Disney Collection?
No! This is cool. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
I seen this on Disney Collection.
Awesome.
Oh, look, if you want to trim her scissors.
Cool.
And some Ooh, I'm going to open this one. You know, some people open this one, whoever that's for.
That was for Mommy.
Oh, open it then.
Open it a little bit.
Well, it's already kind of open.
Oh, man.
It's okay. I didn't open it. Ooh, this one's cool.